Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanifah, and now I will explain the strategy for answering 10 TOEFL ITP reading comprehension questions in the English testing course taught by Mr. Benny Hamdani. Okay, the first is read the question first before reading the passage. Okay. The first and the most important step is to read the question before reading the passage. By doing this, we can identify what information we need to look for, which helps us stay focused and save time. Okay, the second, identify the question types: mind idea, detail, vocabulary, inference, and reference. Okay. It is important to recognize the types of questions commonly found in the reading comprehension section, such as mind idea, detailed information, vocabulary in context, inference, and reference. Identifying the question types allows us to apply the most appropriate strategy for each question. Okay, next, the third. Use skimming to find the main idea. Okay, for main idea question, use the skimming technique. Read the first and last sentence of each paragraph, as the main idea is often located there, especially in the first paragraph. Okay, next. Use scanning to locate specific details. For detailed questions, there is no need to read the entire passage. Use the scanning technique by searching for keywords from the question in the text. Then, read the sentence around those keywords to find the correct answer. Okay, next. Pay attention to synonyms, to not exact words. It is important to remember that TOEFL answer rarely use the exact same word as those in the passage. Instead, they often use synonyms or paraphrases. Therefore, focus on understanding the meaning rather than matching word exactly. Okay, next. Guess vocabulary meaning from the text. Okay, for vocabulary question, avoid translating the word directly. Read the sentence before and after the words to understand its meaning based on the context. Next, use logical thinking for inference questions. Inference questions require you to draw conclusions that are not directly stated in the passage. Choose the answer that is logical, supported by the text, and not exaggerated to unrelated. Okay, next. Reference answer usually appear before the reference word. Okay, for reference questions, which usually ask about pronouns such as it, they, or this, look at the pronoun in the passage and look for the noun that appears before it, as this is usually the correct reference. Okay, next, apply elimination to remove wrong answer. If you are unsure about the correct answer, use the elimination technique by removing options that clearly contradict the passage or are too general or too specific. Okay, and the last is manage time. Okay, finally, time management is crucial in the TOEFL ITP reading section. Try to spend about 1 to 1.5 minutes per question. If a question is too difficult, skip it and return to it later. Okay, by applying effective reading strategies, recognizing question times, and managing time wisely, we can improve our performance and achieve better scores in the TOEFL ITP reading comprehension section. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bless I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.